fantastic. I see the daughters of Eve. They are all smiling. They are licking their lips. They say, hi. This thing reminds them of something.
It is smoke Igbo.
Something that used to come out. Talk through. What does it remind you of? Does it remind you of Mbara, Zozo, Ofobike, Ipipi, Tarimbo, 45, Unepipu Nkulu, Cassava, Kokumba, Bola, Powerhouse, Tempiraka, Pool, John Thomas, Chocolate, Monster, Abraham Lincoln, Baba Ibeji, Opa, Tinubu, Powerbank, Sausage, Iroko, Batman, Buhari, Koko Zaria, Mohbad, Black Sheriff, C Black, Black Panda, Japan, Biggie, Black Diamond, Dictation, Peninsula. Talk through. What does it remind you of? It reminds you of that morning one that used to rise like this and not be doing like. All of you, your mind has spot. You are going to hellfire, let me tell you. It's everything you see that reminds you of Unepipi in Kolo. It's everything. Go to church for deliverance. Tomorrow is Sunday. Thank you.